I didn't mean to leave you behind like that. Just look at my hand. I didn't know what to do.
Cool. Oh, so Pomni, I'm sorry your first day here had to be so terrible.
Yeah, well, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna go get Kane now. Oh, okay, now I get it! This is a dream, and I should just play along until I wake up, right?